Drummers, please come. Okay, you have a gig and you are asked to come and sound check on your drums. Please, once you are called on by your sound engineer, you don't just get to your drums and begin to wipe all the part of the drums. No, it's very wrong. As a professional, or even as a beginner, as an intermediate, if you can work with these little secrets I want to show you, anybody that sees you from the sound check will say, no, this guy is. Will give you a thumb up, okay? All right. How do I mean is, once the sound engineer called you to come and check your drums, to sound check your tone. Sound check means come and check all these things you have put down. Okay, so while you are checking, you don't just play everything once. We can't hear it. So this is what you do. This is what you do. A simple way. Okay, you have a means of communication with the sound engineer if he or she is not by your side. All right, maybe by talkback mic or signal, eye contact. Okay, so you have to pay rapt attention to your sound engineer. Yes, drummer, pay that. It will benefit you when you want to play. All right, and after doing that, you ask the sound engineer, where will you like me to start from? Because individual differences we have. Some engineer might start from their kick, some might start from the snare, some might start from the tom, or wherever where they prefer. Okay, so you ask, where will you like me to start from? Because he is the one who is going to save the preset he's using for you. All right, okay, so after asking him that question, then if he now says start from the snare, now this is this is the aspect you need to pay attention to. Once he say start with your snare, all right, don't just use your sticks. No, it's very wrong. Pick your single strokes from your rudiment, then use that to sound check each tone on each drums. Are you getting me? Just do that. All right, after he have said, okay, start from the snare, then you start something like this. So you continue until you are okay with that. If he said, okay, stop, I want to adjust something, I want to do this, fine. But that is the simple way you can easily sound check for you to get every details of the gadget you've put down. Okay, so the same thing goes to this tom. So same thing goes to everything, and the most especially which I do see most is when they want to sound check the kick, the bass drum, and hear something. No, just single strokes is okay for you. And after all this, the sound engineer might now say, okay, when you are satisfied with the tone, with with everything, he might now ask you to play all the drums together now. Okay, and when he asks you to play all the drums together, just pick a groove, a simple groove that you know you can easily flow on. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay. So once you do it like that, you are good to go. And if anything is missing, you can be able to fine tune and fix it. You know, I love you. I am Jayo Bagbenga Moses, GB Drummer. See you in the next edition. Okay, it's just few tips I'm gonna be dropping. Thank you.